Steven from Frachelli, and welcome to my kitchen. In this episode, we're going to make a fresh and delicious Greek and Mediterranean inspired salad. Camerawoman Courtney, you ready to start cooking? First step, we're going to prepare our greens. So what I used here is a store-bought pack of fancy greens. It's got romaine, green tango, radicchio, and carrots in it. This step may surprise you, but we're actually going to fill the bowl up with water and vinegar and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. So also, just on the bowl really quickly, I did not fill it all the way to the top because we're going to be putting other stuff in the salad and don't want it overflowing. So don't overthink it, just sink temperature water here, fill it up just so everything's covered. And also here, don't overthink this either because we're going to drain this. Just a nice little splash of vinegar there, and then we're going to let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then prep the rest of the salad. While our greens are soaking, we're going to start chopping. We have a cucumber and a red pepper here. A lot of people make Greek or Mediterranean salad with tomatoes as well. I particularly, as much as I love tomatoes, like it without. I think this recipe works as is, but feel free to throw a tomato in there as well. So we're going to start with a cucumber to set the size. I'm going to cut the end off so we get nice even pieces. And traditional Greek salad actually doesn't even have lettuce in it, it's just big chunks of things. So we're going to pay a little homage to that and just cut cucumber slices in half like so. And then what we're going to do is cut the pepper to match that in size. Now we're going to go ahead and squeeze a fresh lemon. About half a lemon per salad works beautifully. Okay, we've gathered a few things together here so we can make it really easy and put the salad together. So we still have our vegetables chopped. I've grabbed some fresh parsley, salt, pepper, a strainer, dry oregano, the aforementioned squeezed lemon, some jalapenos, a block of beautiful feta cheese, and oil and red vinegar. So first we're going to go ahead and drain the water vinegar mixture. You can just use your hand. You don't really need to use a strainer. It's okay if some water is left in it. It'll make the salad taste fresh. And then what we want to do is take about half and half of the cucumbers and the peppers and add them together. I did half and half just so it blends and adds the color nicely with the salad. Feel free to move them around with your hands a little bit just so you have a nice presentation and an even distribution of the colors. Next, we're going to take the feta cheese. You can buy the feta cheese crumbled too. I do like to just take a nice block of it and break it with my hand so you get some really nice chunks on there. Whoops, slide in here. And we're going to do that, some nice chunks. You want to cover it, but not covered where you can't see the pepper and the cucumber popping through, but a nice generous layer of feta there. I'm going to go and just put just a little bit more. And then I'm going to rinse my fingers because they are covered in feta cheese. Okay. There we go. Rinse my hands really quickly. Now, next we're going to go ahead and put a generous dash or a couple dashes of oregano. You just want to coat it nicely. See if we just get a little look there. Camera woman Courtney, thank you. Okay, we're going to put the feta on the side because we don't need that anymore. Now, here is where the real star of the salad is. The fresh parsley makes such a big difference. I've made the salad several different ways, totally bunch of different combinations, and the fresh parsley is just what really makes it. And we got something beeping over here. I'm going to hit that. It is a surprise in our next video, French onion soup with a red wine reduction. Check that out. Let me just clear this off. Clear. Okay. So the fresh parsley, you could chop it with a knife, but if you rinse it and it's wet, it does kind of stick together. So I just like to use my hands and break it up. And nice big chunks of it. Again, homage to traditional Greek salad. Nothing needs to be too finely diced. Okay. And do that. Now the cheese is a little salty, so you don't really need much salt. I'm just going to put a light sprinkle of salt here. And then I'm going to give it about 2 cracks of black pepper. Maybe 3. Maybe 3.5 that was. Okay, now we're ready to really dress the salad up even more. I grabbed the strainer just because simply there's seeds in the lemon juice. And we're going to pour that on it. Nice coating there. And then you're going to just take a little drizzle of olive oil. And I like to do it in a diagonal motion, so it's not completely drenching it. And then as you start eating the salad, it all blends together very beautifully. And also gravity works. This all sinks down. You don't really need to mix it up beforehand. I think it tastes better when prepared this way. Maybe that's just me being crazy. Then the vinegar, there is still some vinegar in the salad from the mix before. It's not gonna be very vinegary, but the lemon acts as the acid or the vinegar in the salad. So you just need a really light drizzle of vinegar here. So there we go. And then if you're a spicy fan, you go and add a jalapeno. Hold on, my hands are wet. Let me do this. Okay. And we're gonna just drop jalapeno on there or two. Again, very optional. But now we have a beautiful Greek style, Mediterranean style salad. Enjoy. If you liked the video, please subscribe, please like. This is a very new cooking channel. This is one of our first 3 videos. Also provide some comments, good or bad. We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime though, bon appetit.